Hi there, this is Renee Haddadine. This is called a Towa tension gauge. Its primary reason is to help you know the tension of your bobbin when it's in the bobbin case. This will help you know how to adjust the tension if necessary. Here at Quilts on the Corner, we use a Towa gauge with every bobbin change to assure that we always have great tension. You can find them on our website at quiltsonthecorner.com. When the bobbin is inserted correctly, you pull the thread down around this wheel, up and around the second wheel, then down around this finger here, then pull steadily and the needle will give you a reading in your bobbin that should be about 180. If it's too tight, you would loosen it here on this screw. You would go counterclockwise slightly, and you would turn it clockwise if you need to tighten the tension. I usually pull 3 times and take the average. You will always see some variation. Thanks for joining me.